Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5th, and here is your social science teacher. Class, today let us start our chapter 7, that is temperate grassland. So as I already explained you beta about the earth, that we have three zone over the earth. One is equator who divide the earth into two parts, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And from 0 degree equator, in our last chapter I explained you about the torrid zone or the equatorial zone, and the climate of that zone is very hot, as well as because sun rays directly fall over that particular area, equator. So hot summer, and because of heat, lot of evaporation take place in this region, which resulted a heavy rainfall. It means the climate of equatorial region is hot and wet. The same way, let us start the temperate grassland, because after torrid zone, the next zone is temperate zone, and temperate zone are found both in southern hemisphere as well as northern hemisphere. In southern hemisphere, they are spread across Asia, Europe and North America, and in southern hemisphere they are found in South America, Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. So these are the continents which are lying temperate grassland in northern part and in its southern part. Now come to the climate of the temperate region. In temperate region, grassland in the northern hemisphere experience extreme hot and cold climate. Means the grassland which we can found in the northern hemisphere, वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी और बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. और the continental type of climate is characterized by hot summer, cold winter, following by the very little rainfall. And one thing here I want to tell you class, that Antarctica is only the continent that does not have any grassland. Why? Because that Antarctica is totally covered by snow, therefore no grassland take place in that region. Now come to the grassland of the southern hemisphere and the climate of the southern hemisphere or temperate southern hemisphere. The grassland in the southern hemisphere are located along the sea coast and hence have a moderate climate. As I explained you in my previous chapter, that the area which is nearby the coast, and because of land breeze and sea breeze, the temperature which we can find near the seashore is moderate. That is why in southern hemisphere, the area which is covered by sea coast have a moderate type of climate. Then the grassland in the northern hemisphere, means जो northern hemisphere है वहाँ की grassland के compare में जो southern hemisphere वाला sea coast वाला portion है हमारा temperate grassland का, वहाँ का temperature ज़्यादा moderate होता है, right? तो southern temperate grassland ना ज़्यादा गर्म होती है ना ज़्यादा ठंडी, and sufficient amount of rainfall, और वहाँ पर रेनफॉल कैसी होती है, बहुत ही सफिशिएंट, नॉट इन अ वेरी लार्ज एंड नॉट इन अ वेरी लेस. सो क्लास, टुडे आई एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट द टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड, द कॉन्टिनेंट विच लाई इन दिस रीजन इन नॉर्दर्न टेम्परेट एंड इन southern temperate. Then we talked about the climate, and here I explained you about that continental type of climate is there in the temperate grassland, and in the southern hemisphere they have moderate type of climate there, and in southern temperate grassland there is नाइदर टू हॉट, ना ज़्यादा गर्म होती है और ना ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है। और रेनफॉल भी एक एक्यूरेट, ना ज़्यादा गर्म ना ज़्यादा ठंड, ना ज़्यादा